If you don't have screencastify and you want to get it to be able to record anything you do on the screen, then what you need to do is first open up Google Chrome. It's an extension that goes onto Google Chrome. I have a few different extensions here. You can see I've got Google Chrome open. So I'm going to click on these three little dots here, and I'm going to go down to More Tools. I'm going to look for Extensions. So when I get that, you can see all the extensions that I already have attached, and I go down to the bottom so I can get more extensions. And it's going to open up the Chrome Web Store. I'm going to type in screencastify, and here it is, and I'm going to add to Chrome. Yeah, add extension, and it's going to do its thing. You can see it's working down here. You guys probably can't see that, but it's working down here. It's doing its thing. It's adding it to Chrome, and we're going to see a little icon pop up here once it's done working, and there it is. So I'm all done with that. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to close that. Here it is. Once I have it installed, or whatever you want to call it, I'm going to click on here, and it's going to ask me where I want to record or store my recordings after I make a screen recording. Google Drive is a good spot, or you could do it locally on the device, but if you have a Chromebook, you can't really store anything locally on the device. So I'd go with Google Drive. So you say next. It's going to ask you to sign into your Google Drive. Here's my account. And it's going to ask me to sign in. I go ahead and I do that. And it says, I haven't recorded anything yet. That's fine. Okay. So I'm going to go back up here, and I can click on here to record, and it asks me about some things. You can see as I'm talking, you can see that it's recording my voice using the built-in microphone. So I've got audio going. I could use the webcam if I wanted. I don't need to do that because I want to record off of here. And I'm going to record the desktop. And let me pull this over here. This will pop up. I have two computer monitors, so it's asking which computer monitor I want to record. And I'm going to share or record this one here. And then the minute I click share, it's going to start recording. And so let me show you what that kind of looks like. So I click on share. It's doing its thing. It's doing its thing now. And you can see it's kind of recording up here. I want to end the recording. It's doing its thing now. You can kind of see it's kind of recording up here. I want to. So you can see that it's stored on my drive. There it is. If I go into my drive, you know what? Let's do this. I'll show you where it should be located, somewhere in my drive. We'll have to go find it. Here's my drive. Let's see if we get some kind of a screen. Oh, here's my screen recording right here.